In a time where power and peril collide, one woman will shape the destiny of the entire galaxy, entrusted with two extraordinary seers. Marina allies with Katarina, an enigmatic and mysterious sorceress with a shadowy past. In this unfolding saga, danger emerges as the fleet turns against Marina, besieging her palace and her kingdom's defenses. A relentless pursuit by Kronos Enterprises and the fleet, all over a data chip harboring apocalyptic power. With time slipping away, the galaxy's fate hangs in a precarious balance. Join Marina and Katarina as they infiltrate the heart of Kronos in a battle of epic proportions, with only the weapon as a last chance to end Kronos' tyrannical rule. Available now. Queen of Pain by Michael D'Ambrosio.